we are today is that the world is a very different place than just a few years ago. Globalization is more prevalent than ever, allowing new competitors to emerge every day as the barriers to entry lower. Small companies are being acquired and merged, creating large companies with larger and often global footprints overnight. The way people work is changing as location flexibility from geographical dispersed locations becomes the norm. Increased productivity remains critically important. Over the past 10 years, the productivity output of manufacturing industry has increased 1.2% compared to 2.6% from the 7 years prior. Since the productivity of the manufacturing industry has a direct correlation to GDP output, it is critical that the productivity remains a focus to ensure it remains on par with expectations. These macro trends are having an impact on the way engineering companies design and deliver their products. For example, there is a need for increased innovation to ensure that products are differentiated, allowing you and your teams to compete in an increasing competitive environment. The skill gap continues to increase. Even though a large number of students graduate each year with engineering degrees, they are not always applying them in a manufacturing industry, but instead are applying these skills into the roles of VC firms and startups often allured by the Silicon Valley growth. Everyone is looking to do more with less time and accelerate time to market. As client demand increases and products become more complex, there's an increasing need to account for these expectations while also delivering the product to market. At the same time, the technology landscape has changed. New emerging technology trends are disrupting the way design and manufacturing has been done in the past. This screen shows a recent 2008 report from Deloitte. The report speaks to the fact that new and emerging technology trends will change the industry. This is evident through many point solutions coming to market that focus on industrial trends such as AI, IoT, or 3D printing. These point tools have accelerated the use of some of the emerging technologies for design. However, these are just point tools and remain disconnected from the design process, leading to data silos, broken processes, and lost data. But what if you could harness the emerging technologies such as AI, IoT, AR, and additive manufacturing within your existing design environment and tool? Well, you can. At PTC, which is why I'm so excited to be here today, we're taking these latest technology trends and deeply integrating them into your design environment so that you, as a design engineer working in your everyday CAD tool, can use them freely. PTC is the world innovator in commercial 3D CAD, and we are now leading